Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about what is red-black tree and what are the properties of red-black trees and how to construct red-black trees, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on one more operation on red-black trees is deletion operation. So what is the main purpose of deletion operation? To delete a node from the tree, that operation is called as deletion operation, right? So there are many possible cases in red-black tree deletion operation, right? So we are discussing one by one, right? So what is the first case? So here, first case is red-black trees follows the binary search tree deletion. So in addition to that, we are also make each and every node with color, that is either red or black, right? So here, what are the possible cases in binary search tree deletion operation, right? So in binary search tree deletion operation, there are three possible cases. If the deleted node is a leaf node, just delete it, right? So if the deleted node contains only one children, child will replace the parent position, right? What is the third possible case? If the deleted node contains two children, in that case, that can be replaced by maximum left child of left subtree, minimum value, so minimum right child of right subtree. It can replace it by maximum left child of left subtree, minimum right child of right subtree, right? So those are the three possible cases. These three possible cases are also applicable to red-black deletion operation, right? So in addition to that, we are also satisfies the color property of red-black trees. After deleting each and every element, we can check the color property of red-black tree, right? After deletion, a newly generated tree also satisfies all the properties of red-black trees, right? So here there are several possible cases for deletion operation, right? We are discussing one by one. So first case is if the deleted node is red, then just delete the node. So in red-black trees and binary search trees, internal node deletion is not possible. Just it replaces the values by its children's, maximum children or minimum children, or it contains only one children, that child will replace the parent position. So replacing concept is applicable for internal nodes in red-black trees as well as binary search trees, right? So that is very, very important thing. So here, what is the first possible case? If the deleted node is red, then just delete the red node. Then just delete the node, right? So here, this is the first possible case. So here I am taking one example. So here I am taking 50, 30, 70, 75. So before watching this video, first of all, you should watch binary search tree deletion operation, right? So then only you can understand the red-black trees deletion operation, right? So here, so this is our red-black tree. So here, this is red node. This is black. Root is always black in red-black trees, right? So remember that one. So there are some properties for red-black trees. So root node must be black. There is no two adjacent nodes have red color. So there is no parent children red relationship, right? So every path from root node to null nodes, it contains equal number of black nodes. So those are the properties for red-black trees, right? So here this is our black. For suppose I am considering this is also black, this is also black, right? So remaining nodes can be considered as nil nodes. So in red-black trees, leaf nodes is always represented with the help of nil. Now check all the properties of red black tree. So what is the first property? Root is always black. That property is satisfied by this tree. Then there is no two adjacent red nodes. So there is no red parent, red children relationship. So that property is also satisfied by this tree. Na? So then each path from root node to null node, it contains equal number of black nodes. 1, 2 for this path. This is also black. So leaf nodes are always labeled with the help of black only, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So all the properties are satisfied by this tree. So that's why this tree is red black tree, right? So in this tree, now I want to delete red node. So if the deleted node is red, then just to delete the node. So for suppose I want to delete this 75. 75, delete 75, delete 75, right? So after deleting, so if the deleted node is red, just delete it, right? So after deleting 75, tree becomes 50, 30, 70, 0, nil. So after deleting 75, this also becomes nil. So red node is replaced by nil, right? So now this is big black, this is black node, this is black node, black node, black node, black node. After deleting node, then we can check all the properties of red black tree, right? So root is black, the property is satisfied. So there is no two adjacent red nodes, that property is also satisfied. So every path from root node to nil node contains equal number of black nodes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this tree also satisfies the red black tree property. So after deleting 75, the newly generated tree also satisfies the red black tree properties, right? For suppose I want to delete 70 in this node. For suppose I want to delete 70. Delete 70. Delete 70. So 70 is internal node. So it which contains only one children. So here this 70 is replaced by 70. Why? Because so red black tree deletion is similar or also follows the binary search tree deletion, right? So here 70 replaces the 75. Why? Because it contains only one children. Child will replace the parent position, right? So here 70 is replaced by 75. So here 75 is replaced, but node color is same. That is very important thing. So here I am replacing the values only, not colors. So once we can replace 70 by 75, now this node becomes 75, this becomes black. We are not replacing the colors, we are replacing the values of a nodes only. Remember that one, that is very important thing, right? So here I want to delete 70. So after deleting 70, tree becomes 50, 30, so 75. So here this node is replaced by nil, 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 nil. So this is black, this is black, this is black, 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 right? Now newly generated tree satisfies all the red black tree properties or not. So root is black, the property is satisfied. So there is no two adjacent red nodes, that property is also satisfied. Every path from root node to null node, equal number of black nodes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's why newly generated tree is red black tree, right? So this is the first case. So if the deleted node is red, just delete that node, right? So this is about first case, right? So then what is the second case? For suppose here red node deletion, there is no violations in red black trees, right? For suppose I want to delete a black node in red black trees, then only newly generated tree violates the red black tree properties. Then what we are doing, right? So that can be discussed in remaining cases, right? So here what is the case 2? For suppose, so before going to case 2, we are taking one example, right? So here 50, 30, 70, 75. So nil, nil, nil. So this is black, this is black, black. So suppose this is also black, black, suppose I'm taking so here I am considering this is one tree, that is red black tree, right? So all the leaf nodes are nil nodes which are labeled by black. Now whether check all the properties of red black tree. Root is black, that property is satisfied. There is no two adjacent black nodes, that property is also satisfied, fine. Then every path from root node to nil node, same number of black nodes, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, right? So that property is also satisfied by this tree, so that's why this is also a red black tree, right? For suppose now I want to delete 75. So in previous case that node is red node, just delete it, but this node is black node, deleted node is black node, right? So here I want to delete 75. So here I am deleting 75 value only, not a node, right? So this can be replaced by its children, so that is nil node, right? Nil node color is also a black color. So here black. So here this node is replaced by its children, that is black. So here this node becomes double block, right? So this is the major problem in red black deletion, red black trees deletion operation, right? So if the deleted node is a black node, in some cases double block situation is occurred, right? So here children nil node color is also black, deleted node color is also black, right? So that is replaced by its nil node. So in such cases double block node is formed, right? For suppose here this is 75. For suppose this is red node, in previous example, I am taking in previous example, that can be replaced by its nil node. Simply make it as black node. So red can be make it as black node. So that is not a problem in red child deletion, right? So coming to black child deletion only, this problem is occurred, right? So once we can delete 75, so this node is replaced by its children, so that is black node. So that's why this node becomes double block, right? So then how to delete double block? for a node. So there are several possible cases for deleting double block node situations, right? So here in case 2, if the root is double block node, if the root is double block node, just delete or make node as a black. So this is the second case. So for suppose if the root contains double block situation, simply that can be make a node as a black node. So that is the simple case, right? So here what is case 3? Case 3 is if the deleted node is black. If the deleted node is black, then check the sibling color. Sibling color. If the sibling and sibling children are black, children are black, children are black, if sibling and sibling children are black, children are black, if then remove db, so remove double block, remove db, add db to its parent, to its parent, and make sibling as red, make sibling as red. So here there are another sub cases in this one. If parent is red, it becomes black, it becomes black. If parent is black, it becomes double black. So simply, so if the deleted node is black node, first of all we can check the sibling color, double block sibling color. So sibling color, so if the sibling color and sibling children are black, then remove db and add db to its parent and make sibling as red, make sibling as red, right? So here two possible cases for parent. If parent is red, it becomes black. If parent is black, it becomes double black, right? So here I am taking one example, right? So here I am taking 50, 30, 70, 60, 75. This can be considered as nil, 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 right? So here I want to make colors. So here this is black, this is red, this is black, this is black, this is black. Right, so now check whether the tree is a red black tree or not. So here root is always black, root from every path from root node to nil node, equal number of black nodes, 3 3 3, right? So that's why this is red black tree. So in this example I want to delete 70, node 70. So node 70 is red. So it can be replaced by its so it contains two subtrees, maximum of left subtree or minimum of right subtree, right? So here I want to replace minimum of right subtree. So what is the minimum value? 75. Now tree becomes like this. Minimum of right subtree. Now tree becomes